That was amazing.
1, 2, 3, 4.
I really got to give it to any daily vlogger that goes without stop every single day and night, because I've only had maybe a total of 7 hours of sleep within the last 2 days, and it's honestly killing me. Bye, Mama. LA stuff. I got meeting stuff. I'm headed to LA for some meeting stuff with my brother. He's coming back from his vacation. He should be back tomorrow, or during this, actually this video today. So yeah. Hey, Cameron, how'd you get in the car? The quick surprise I wanted to show you guys was these packs of cereal. We came and got some cereal. Yay! Hey, you want a box of cereal? You sure? Free Pebbles. Come on, I know you want it. This is a charity service. There you go. Thank you. Yeah, of course. You're gonna give it to the homeless guy. Hey, excuse me, sir. Excuse me, sir. You want it? Sure. It's good cereal.
Thank you very much. God bless you.
Yeah, take care, man.
The cereal angels of Los Angeles.
He's happy, he's happy.
We're on our way home now. So going to LA literally took up the entire day. It's already 5 o'clock now. I only had like 3 hours of sleep last night. I'm home and I'm trying to figure out something interesting I can do. And the rest of the Wubbles can't be here anymore, so I gotta get rid of them. Hey, Capron, say bye to the Wubbles. Oh. Our house is basically like a big playpen, and my room is basically just a place to put all your dangerous weapons. I have a lot to clean up from the last video. If you guys haven't checked it out, I filled up the entire house with Wubbles, but I'm outside, and I figured out this cool thing that I could do with the air compressor and this spinner thing. Check it out. So I'm running 150 PSI right now, and that's coming to tool pressure too. So that means 150 PSI is gonna come out straight into this. And I'm going to throw it at my drink. And Camper just got me it.
You're supposed to drink it, Corey. No, this is not a paid endorsement, Peace Tea. Unless you sponsor my brother for riding a scooter. Then it'll be paid endorsement.
Yeah, what he said. And sponsor me, Peace Tea. Okay, let's get it. What? How did it not do anything? That was moving so fast. Oh my god, it's actually hot. That was so crazy. Okay, I'm doing that again. Try 2. Dang it. It's so loud. I need more tool pressure. Okay, since this doesn't work too well, and it just seems like he's just hitting it and just like pucking off.
Pucking off?
I don't know. I thought like
hockey puck.
Yeah, like a hockey puck. That's why I made up a word. Like it was like bouncing like a puck. Okay, whatever. So I want to spin it fast enough and see if I can skip it on the water.
How are you supposed to throw it right?
I don't know. Do it like that.
And then just drop it in the water, see if it stays on top.
Oh, okay. Yeah, I'll try that first and then I'll skip it. Let's go. Wow! That was amazing.
You have to do it again and adjust.
All the water's gonna flick off of it, so everything that, yeah, it's whatever. Okay, skip it. We're gonna skip it. Yeah, let's get it.
Now I have to go swim. Alright guys, I missed you.
It doesn't work!
Hi, Natalie.
My goggles! All the water in my shirt. Wow. Never mind, that was a magic trick. It's all gone. Poof.
Okay, let's get it. We're just gonna drop it on the top of the can. So top of the can. Wow, that was fantastic.
Oh my gosh, look! Look, it's like, let's see if I can open it up with this. It's not good! Ow! It broke! No! The ball bearing fell out, see? This is all I really need. I'll just take the other bearings out and I'll be all good. I'm so cold, I'm like leaning forward so my shirt doesn't touch my chest. I'm like walking like this. You probably can't hear me because of the damn thingy behind me. Ah! It's now unbalanced, so it's not gonna work too well. Oh my god, that's so scary. So this didn't work too well. I completely shattered my fidget spinner. Oh well, the thing is, I'll make it work again. Hey Nat. Gotta go back to clean all this up now. Gotta keep working. This won't make it work again. I just gotta push this out. All the ball bearings. There you go. So it's a little bit lighter from taking out the ball bearings, which is pretty neat. Because I didn't really need them out there anyways, because I wasn't using them. One more quick one. Because why not? Well, that slows down so much quicker. It has air resistance from the holes. The holes give it air resistance. Oh, no! Okay, that definitely broke something. Oh no, these are these. Oh, okay, I need these. Okay, this is pretty cool. I was doing this. Okay,